Guys, in this video, you will learn how you can create images for your Instagram post automatically. So guys, for that, we have this automation and you can see the flow. Here we have connected Google Sheets as the trigger application and Switchboard and Instagram as the action applications. So guys, you just have to add the details of the post that you want to share on Instagram in a row here in a Google Sheet. And according to that data, image will be created with the help of Switchboard Canvas application automatically, and the same image will be shared as a new post from your Instagram automatically. Okay, you just have to add the data here. And guys, we can set up this automation without any coding using Pabbly Connect. Let me show you how. So guys, this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account and you will get free automation tasks every month to set up and test your automations. So you can just sign up right now, and after that you have to sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect like this. And guys, here you have to click on this create workflow button to set up a workflow of automation. So here you can give a suitable name to this workflow. So I am giving the name here as Switchboard Canvas to Instagram posts. Okay, so after giving the name, you just have to click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is getting ready here. And here you can see we have these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two modules, we can set any automation. Here the trigger is that application in which the trigger event is going to occur. Okay, so it is saying here when this happens. This means when an event occurs in the trigger application, action will make Pabbly Connect perform any specific action. So it is saying do this. Okay, so here we need to connect the trigger app. So guys, here I have created a spreadsheet. You can see here, this is a spreadsheet I have created, and in this spreadsheet I am adding the details that I want to share on Instagram. So I have added a link of the image that I want to share and a quote that I want to paste on that link. Oh sorry, to paste on that image. Okay, so both of these things and my handles name of Instagram. With the help of this data, I'm going to create an image with the help of Switchboard Canvas, and that image I'm going to share on Instagram. So you can see I have a template created here in Switchboard Canvas. Okay, so guys, adding of the details here in this spreadsheet will act as the trigger for us for this automation, and the workflow is going to run. So we need to connect Google Sheets application here as the trigger. Okay, and the trigger event would be new or updated spreadsheet row option, and it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, and with the help of this we can make a connection with Google Spreadsheet, and after that we are going to capture the response of that connection. So you need to follow these steps written here to make this connection. Let me show you how you can do it directly. First of all, you need to open the same spreadsheet in incognito mode. You have to do this if you are using multiple Google accounts in the same browser. Otherwise, you can open that in the browser without this incognito mode. Okay. So guys, here in this spreadsheet, you have to click on extensions, and from this add-on sections, click on get add-ons, and here you have to install an add-on which is called Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So you have to search for this name here from the top search bar, Pabbly, Pabbly, Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Okay, and you have to install it here. So it will just take 2 minutes to install this. So you can see I have already installed it, so I did not do it again. After you install it, guys, you have to refresh the spreadsheet. This is an important step. After installing the add-on, refresh the spreadsheet, and after that when you click on extensions, you will find this Pabbly Connect Webhooks option available in this drop down. From here you have to click on this initial setup option, and under initial setup you will find these two fields, the webhook URL field and the trigger column. So in this URL field you have to paste the URL that you got from your workflow, and in the trigger column you have to enter the name of the last or the final data column that you have. So the final data column, let me show you, is this column, the C column. This means whenever I'm going to add the data here, first of all I'm going to fill the A column, then the B, and finally the C. And as I'm going to fill the details in the C, that is going to trigger the workflow. So C is our trigger column. Okay, so let me just go back to my web workflow, and here let me click on copy, and I have copied this URL, and here you can see it started showing waiting for the response. Okay, now open the spreadsheet, go to extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, initial setup. Here paste the webhook URL, put the trigger column as C column. Okay, and here you can see it is started showing waiting for the response, and now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means we need to fetch some test data from our spreadsheet and we need to bring it here in the workflow. Okay, so to get the test data here, you have this send test button inside this initial setup. So when you click on send test, the data of the first row, the data of the first row that you have here inside your spreadsheet will be sent as the test data to your workflow. So I'm clicking here on send test. So this is you can see the test data sent successfully is written here. So let's check in our workflow if we got the data. And here you can see in this response section, we got the data captured like this. It is showing you the code, the backdrop link, the handles name. These are the same three things that I had here. Okay, so we have fetched the test data. Now you can click on submit here on the initial setup. Okay, and you can close this window now, and we are done making this connection. And from here you have to do one thing more. Click on extensions, and from Pabbly Connect webhooks option, select this send on event option also. So when you click on send on event, what will happen whenever you're going to add any new row here in this spreadsheet, the workflow is going to trigger and it will start running. Okay, so here we are done. So we got the test data. Now with the help of this test data, we are going to create a test image from our switchboard canvas. For that, we need to connect switchboard canvas here in this actions tab. Here it is selected. And in the action event, select create image option, then click on connect. And from here, select add new connection. And here it is asking for the API key of the switchboard. So guys, to find the key, you need to come to switchboard, and from here click on template section. And here is a button you can see on the top right showing view your API key. So when you click on it, you will get the key. So just copy it and paste the key here in this field like this, and then click on save, and you will be connected with switchboard canvas. Okay, so you can see we are connected, and here it is asking for the template's name from which you want to create the images. So this is my template, guys. You can see the name of my template is code-2. Okay, let me select this template, code-2. Okay, you can see the template here. In this template, we have a background image, a text field, the handle name field, and a featuring image. Okay, so here you can see when I've selected the template, it is asking for the width and the height of the image that you want to create. So let me provide a standard width and the height here. And here you can see now it is asking for the handle's name. So my Instagram handle is this. You can see Daniels_Joe123. I'm going to copy it and paste it here. And now it is asking for the image link, the backdrop, and the person. The person means this is a text field that I had here. Okay, so from the test data that we have received from the spreadsheet, we are going to map the details here. Okay, so for you just have to click here on this image field, and from this you can see it is showing you the trigger step in the drop down, and from this trigger step you can see the data and map the image link like this. Okay, similarly, okay, so I do not want to change the backdrop image right now, so I'm leaving this field blank. In the person or the text field that we had here, I'm going to map the code that I have, which is this from the spreadsheet. Okay, so the things that you have mapped here are going to change every time the workflow is going to trigger. That means whenever you are going to add the data in your spreadsheet, the workflow is going to trigger and these labels are going to be updated and new image will be created every time. Okay. So now you can check your connection with Switchboard Canvas by clicking on Save and Send Test Request. Let us see. So I have clicked on Save and Send and a new image is going to be created here. So you can see guys, in the response we got a new image created and this is the link of a newly created image. So you can see this image also. I'm going to show you. So you can see with the help of Switchboard Canvas application, we got a image created here automatically. This is how you can create images. Okay. So we have all three things here: the name, the text, and the image that I had here before in my Google Sheet. And we have created an image out of this data. Okay. Now I want to share this data on Instagram. For that, just click here on this plus icon and from this another action step, search for Instagram. Okay, so I'm selecting Instagram for Business and here in the action event, I'm going to select publish photo option, then click on connect and from here select add new connection, then click on connect with Instagram for Business and it might bring you to the login window, but as I have already logged in here on my Instagram, it just got connected. Okay, and here you can see it is showing you my account's name. You can select the account's name. Here it is asking for the photo URL. So I'm going to map the URL from the previous step like this. Okay. And in the caption, I'm going to map the caption from the Google Sheets. Okay. Right. Or if you want to add any other caption, you can just fill it here. Okay. Now you can check your connection with Instagram by clicking on Save and Send Test Request and a new post will be created here from your profile. So I'm clicking here on Save and Send Test Request. Let's see if we got a new test post created. So guys, this is the response we have received. Let us check my Instagram. So let me refresh the my Instagram profile and here you can see we got a new image posted with the link with the caption like this. Okay, and the image is here. So this is the same image that we have created. The same image got posted from my Instagram account. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in this workflow. After that, whenever you are going to add the data of any post here in your spreadsheet, you will see a new post getting created and will be shared from your Instagram account automatically. Okay. And the workflow is going to run in the background. So guys, you can use this workflow as well because I'm going to paste this workflow in the description and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.